Well, here we are on the 40 in the middle of nowhere. It's some construction yard. And some nice couple came up to us and said, "Hey, your tire's gone."
Fun.
What does that mean? Well,
That means your tire's gone.
I'm about to show you. This is what that means. So, yeah, I'd say they were right. So now I get to change a spare tire for the first time on the trailer.
With a tank full of water.
Yeah, hopefully there wasn't a whole lot of under damage, so we'll see. All right. All right, well, as you can see, we made it. It is pretty out here. We're on the 40, just west of Ludlow, near Daggett, I guess you would say, at a RV park, which is actually pretty nice. You got a pool and everything. We hung out in the pool a little earlier today. So I just want to talk about some of the problems we ran into during the tire change. Number one, there wasn't really a safe spot to pull off the road, so we had to kind of go across lanes to that construction yard that you saw us in. Another problem is that even though I had a block that was about 4 inches high under my bottle jack maxed out, and it wasn't high enough to get the tire on. So you'll notice in the video that I had to bring up the stabilizer jacks on each side to hold it up while I put a couple of those yellow stabilizers. You can see them back there, those yellow things back there. I put a couple of those under that wooden block just to give it a little more height, and then I jacked it up, and that gave me the little bit of extra height that I needed to get that tire on. Once I got the tire on, now I'm without a spare. So luckily we have a couple of traveling partners who have a spare. We also have roadside assistance. I almost went into Apple Valley today to get a spare, but that would have been a 2-hour drive. I think we'll be fine. But tomorrow I have a mobile tire guy coming to do all 5 tires, 4 main tires and a spare in the Goodyear Endurance tires, which is a really good tire for these trailers. The ones that I have on there, they look pretty new, but they're all kind of different brands, and they're brands that I've never heard of. The combination of heat, I don't go much higher than 65 miles an hour when I'm driving. It was 111 today, which I think probably helped cause the failure. But yeah, all in all, it was a quick change. Back on the road, got to our campsite, set up, had a few beers, went to the pool, and now Christina is in there cooking dinner. Not a bad day. All right, I hope you liked the video. The last one ended kind of abruptly. I'm trying to figure out how to end these videos, but I'm going to post these on YouTube, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. You know, maybe I'll make more. Of course I'll make more. I like doing this. It's a lot of fun. All right, bye.